Welcome. Today I am with Motorola Moto G8 Power Lite, and today I will show you how you can apply tempered glass on your display in this smartphone. So at the first you have to prepare a good source of light. You have to see every image that we have on the screen. As you can see in my case, I get here the few fingerprints and some other mess like dust or something like that. So remember about that. Next we have to open our tempered glass for sure. We can find the tempered glass. And inside the box you can find also two wipes. There's the wet and the dry, and of course we are going to use the wet one at the first. So let's open it just like that. And sometimes this wipe comes dry, it's not wet in my case, so you can use something like the window cleaner and apply it on your wipe, and then just make moves like that. Remember to reach a very corner, a very edge. We have to clean this screen and make it to the good condition. You can make the moves in the circle just like that. And right now when you finish, as you can see, it looks definitely better. Oh, I missed this one, as you can see. And this one a little bit. Yeah, the other one is fine. So right now we have to open the dry one. Open it like that and make the same moves. We can put it on the other side. And if you put too much cleaner on your wipe, you can use something like the paper towel. Yeah, this one. So we can take it off from your display. Okay, let's put it back and take a look. Right now it looks definitely better. We have to fix this one also. So let's make it like that, and right now it's fine. Be sure that you take off, that you get rid of every dust that you have on your display. So you can simply move everything to the bottom section of your display, or the upper section, depends when you get the dust. When you leave a piece of the dust on your display and put on it tempered glass, you will get air bubbles. It's a big chance it going to happen. Okay, I think that in my case it's fine. And right now I'm going to apply tempered glass on the display. We have to take off this sticker, and it will follow the foil that is under this glass. So we can make it like that, but as you can see, unfortunately, this sticker doesn't follow with this foil. So if it's going to happen to you, you have to remove this foil manually by applying your fingernail underneath this foil film, just like that, as you can see, and remove it like that. Then take a look on the screen another time. Something drops here, so I'm going to remove it. Okay, and right now you just put the upper section of the glass. Put the glass to upper section of your display. Keep holding the bottom part. I think that we can put it like that, and be sure that everything is fine. It's in the good position on the both sides, and if you are ready, you can put it just like that. And as you can see, it goes automatically, so you don't even have to do anything. You can, for example, press here. And as you can see, it's finished. Right now we can use this wipe to clean it, the tempered glass, to get it stick better. And as you can see, glass is on our display. And let's check if there is any problem with the touch sensitivity. As you can see, everything works fine. There is no any problems, so you don't have to be afraid of applying tempered glass on your display in Motorola Moto G8 Power Lite. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and for sure subscribe to our channel.